Oh man, I haven't done a vlog like this in a while, but this is mainly for myself in my future, to show how I was living and training Muay Thai, learning Muay Thai in Thailand to the extreme level. And I thought, why not show you guys? Why not document the process a bit on a longer form level? So we're about to head to morning training. Starts at 8:30. I'm gonna get there at 8 because you gotta do some cardio. I want to do some cardio before. Gotta push ourselves. Training's about 2 hours, and the afternoon is also 2 hours. It is probably the hardest type of training I've ever done in my life so far. Let's go and look at this view. By the way, it's beautiful, beautiful morning. Let's go and do it.
Đọc chưa?
Let's go.
Blue corner from England, Alexander Woodfire. Come on, bye, come. No.
Kick. Dừng dắt. Kick. Ok.
Medium.
Ok, better. Dắt vào. Kick vào.
Hang about it. Knee.
Yeah.
Hang about it. Line knee. Hip knee. Not.
Dắt vào. Kick vào.
Line knee.
Knee.
Hang about it.
Ok.
Elbow.
Knee.
Up elbow.
Knee. Ok.
Line.
Knee.
Stop. Hip.
Bóng.
Bye.
Kick.
Hip. Right. Stop. Bye. Right. Stop. And up.
Let's
Stop. Left. Stop. Elbow. Up elbow. Left elbow. Stop. Elbow. Hang about it. Hip. Leg.
Okay, then good job.
Shot. Bye.
Okay, good, Alex, good. 100.
First session of the day completed. How did you find it, Raul? Good? Good, bro, good. Tough. That was about 2 hours and a bit. It's currently about 3:30. Got our second session of the day in about 30 minutes. The first session was 2 hours, right? So it was like 8 until 10. This one is 4 until 6. So we're training 4 hours a day. Like, trust me, I would love to nap in between. Like, I feel like napping, but it's not a possibility, I'm afraid. For a good reason. You know, I need to work, and but I enjoy what I do. I love what I do. I run an online coaching business, so I need to check in with the clients. I need to check the progress of the clients. I need to edit stuff like this. I need to plan, check in with the team and everything. But it doesn't matter. We didn't get a nap in, but it's okay because Because we got this. This is not a brand promotion. This is the authentic Thai Red Bull, right? So that's gonna get us nice and awake and ready to train for a second session. Let's do it.
Begin. Backward. Start.
What then? Okay, boom. Down three. Forward mà. Dắt. Up kick. Up dắt mà. Đi. Đi ơi. Tầm forward. Forward mà. Dắt. Dắt. Kick. Forward, kick vào, đi, up ơi, nhấp, đi, up ơi, đi, up ơi, kick, yeah, judo, forward mà, backward, up, better đó. Kick vào, đi, ok, better, four, better là forward mà, kick vào, ok, forward mà, bóp mà, seven, ok, bóp, better, em, bóp mà, ok, 10 push up, better.
But yeah, as you can see, towards the end of that second session, I'm losing energy. I can barely speak right now because I'm so tired. I'm losing energy, and you know the technique was breaking down. I was really starting to feel it, and in that second session, But yeah, man, it's tough. It's really hard, and it's funny because when it gets tough, that's when you start asking yourself, are you fit for this? You know, the doubt starts coming in when it gets difficult, and so you need to really, discipline the mind to remove those thoughts and ignore them, and just keep pushing through, But yeah, tomorrow 6:30 a.m. start, wake up again and do the whole thing all over again. And I love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful existence, a beautiful life. I honestly feel like I'm living the dream right now. Like genuinely, I feel like I'm living the dream. It's amazing to be able to do this. So, yeah, if people like this video, maybe I might do more of this style and give you more insight into this life. I'll see you in the next one. Good night.